happened when I was sick.
Can you hear that?
What?
How good it sounds when you're not whining! Now, I'm gonna say it once. If you have a problem with Gumball, you sort it out with Gumball. Because this is how much I care.
You're right. I'm gonna speak to him right now.
No! I meant after the shopping! This is gonna take a while.
Look, I just want to say I'm sorry. I should have been there for you, and I hope you can forgive me.
Okay, I forgive you.
Don't you think you should apologize as well?
Dude, you apologized. End of story. I'm not gonna say sorry just because it'll make you feel less guilty. You're the one who let me down.
Oh, that wasn't letting you down. This is. Apologize.
Never!
Apologize!
Dad, help!
Oh, very good. Well, let's see if you can imitate that.
Apologize.
Is that all you've got left in stock?
Apologize!
Never!
This is your last chance.
Darwin! Darwin! Please, help! Help me!
Apologize.
I'm sorry.
I think it's time to have a little talk.